Our top story today, evicted from Delhi by force, Baba Ramdev today took his protests to the next level.
By categorically stating that he would build an army to take on the police if necessary, Ramdev left other civil society members embarrassed, with his allies, the BJP, stating that they hope all protests are peaceful.
Days after being seized and evicted by force, Ramdev has today made a controversial call to arms. That puts him on a collision with the government once again.
20 युवक युवतियां एक जिले से आएंगे और हम अब 11,000 युवक और युवतियों की खोज अब यहां पतंजलि पीठ में दिया और इन 11,000 युवक युवतियों को शस्त्र और शास्त्र की दोनों की ट्रेनिंग देंगे और उसके बाद देखेंगे कि अगली बार जब रामलीला में रावण लीला होगी तब कोर्ट पीट करके जाएगी.
The government and the Congress, who are already gunning for Ramdev, got more fodder.
I've seen the statement of Sri Baba Ramdev. I think by making that statement, he has exposed his true colors and true intentions. Let him do so. Let him do so. Let him do so, and the law will deal with that.
It is for the BJP to answer to the people of the country.
Sushma Swaraj, who visited the fasting Ramdev today, ducked all questions on this.
मेरी ऐसी कोई बात उनसे हुई नहीं, इसलिए मैं इसमें कोई टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहती. मैंने नहीं सुना.
The Congress has charged that Ramdev's protest last weekend had the backing of the RSS and the BJP. But while still backing Ramdev to the hilt and demonstrating it through Swaraj's visit, the BJP in Delhi distanced itself from his call to arms.
लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी लोकतांत्रिक और अहिंसात्मक तरीके से विरोध में यकीन रखती है.
Team Anna has also distanced itself from the Baba's call to arms. Ironically, it was forced to do so while Anna Hazare was on fast in support of Ramdev and against his midnight eviction. In response to a question on Ramdev's army, Kiran Bedi tweeted, while at the protest, no question of supporting which is unlawful and threat to security, law and order, but called upon the government to show tact. It's not clear how or when or even if Ramdev will go ahead with his army. But with legions of supporters across the country, political rhetoric aside, it's a threat the government is examining seriously. With Hirdesh Joshi in Haridwar, in Delhi, Rubina Khan Shapu, NDTV.